Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Clans. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to participate in Bigo live gaming events. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Now you can see a horizontal line at the middle of your screen. Those inform you about the events taking place in Bigo Live. To participate or watch these events, you have to stay updated with the Bigo Live event schedule. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.